Hello, kids! Let's learn colors together. Red is bright. Red is fun. Orange shines like the sun. Yellow glows. Happy day. Green is fresh. Let's all play. Blue is deep in the sky. Yay! Awesome! Great job! Purple is pretty. Purple is fun. Yay! Awesome! Great job! Pink is sweet. Pink is bright. Brown is warm. Brown is fun. White is bright. White is pure. Subscribe, kids.